Hi there. So today I'll do a quick unboxing of a Bluetooth speaker I bought for my classroom a couple of days ago. This is the Europort MPA30BT. It's made by Behringer, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing of it. I'm going to use my keys to cut the box open and just show you what I got. I've tried different kinds of Bluetooth speakers before, and my classroom is medium sized, so I need something that's big enough and loud enough to connect to my phone, to an iPod, to my MacBook Pro, and hopefully this will do the job. Let me just take it out. Okay, so it's somewhat heavy, about 7-8 pounds I would say, maybe 7-ish, and pretty clean looking. Some things in the back that you might want to take a look at. Has the Bluetooth speaker button right there. I guess that's the way you look for a device to connect it to. Some of the features, according to the box here, let's see. Obviously, it's portable, simple to use. It says 30 watts, so that's pretty good. It says for audiences up to 100 people. Of course, that depends on the size of the room. So maybe they should specify the size of the room you can use this for. Perfect for parties, schools, blah, blah, blah. Connect your iPod, iPhone, iPad, or any MP3 player via Bluetooth. I'm assuming I can connect my MacBook Pro as well, which has Bluetooth. AC and battery operated. That's pretty good, because if you want to use this outdoors, then you won't have to plug it in. And I wonder what the battery life is. It says the battery life up to 20 hours for battery life, so that's pretty good. It has a dedicated microphone input. So right here, as you can see, and that's one of those inputs you can use for a microphone or for a guitar, also for a musical instrument, whatever you can plug with a quarter jack connector. Additional aux input to connect to your CD player. Yeah, that would be over here, I assume. Let's see what else. Powerful 6-inch woofer and high resolution tweeter. The woofer is important because it'll give you some nice bass contrast there. Integrated stand mounting with 35mm pole socket, so that's important if you wanna put it on a stand. And it's not a screw-in. It's one of those things. It probably would work with different sizes because you can just push it in, so that's good. Oh, this looks interesting. Planet Earth switching power supply. So you can use it for different power sources. I guess you can use this in different countries, like maybe Europe, where they have a different voltage. It says here 100 to 240 volts. And yeah, that's pretty good. You have, so just take another look in the back there. You have separate levels for the different inputs. I can't yet figure out what this is for. I'm assuming maybe it says wireless system, so maybe I can connect my MacBook Pro or some kind of other device. You have a selector where you can select between voice and music if you're gonna use a microphone for speaking or for playing music. I can't see where the switch is for using different voltage. So I'll have to figure that out and make sure it's not set up on the wrong setting. I also can't figure out how to charge it because it says battery operated, and you see it has indicators here for when the battery is full, half, and I'm assuming when the light turns red, you have to charge it. Maybe it has a built-in battery. Yeah, so I have to figure out how to change the voltage. I hope that it's not set up. I hope it's not set on the wrong voltage, and maybe it's automatic. So that would be good. Anyways, this is my short unboxing of the Europort MPA30BT. BT stands for Bluetooth. There's a couple of things in the bag here. Yeah, just the power cord that you can plug it in. And I'm assuming the battery is built in, so because I don't see an extra battery here. So this is my new Bluetooth speaker, and I would use this mostly in my classroom to play music examples for my students, and maybe play YouTube videos of music education nature, things like that. So anyways, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, write them in the comments below, and see you in the next video. Bye.